What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have built this program. So in this video we will create a new function of this program through which we can transfer the money from one account to another. So let's begin. So guys, this new function of our program, the transfer money, is based on inherency topic of object oriented programming language. So it is very important. So, what is this inherency? Inherency is a new class which have all the property of the previous class as well as the new property which it can gain. It is like the new version of this account class. So, how can we create that? First of all, let's name this file class dot. Let's name it checking, and here in this, let me just print this out. Let me just take it from here and paste it here. And now in this class, checking class, you have to pass this account class, and after that, and this topic is called inherency. It's a very important. And now what you have to do is create a separate function underscore in it, and here what you have to do is self dot file path. The process is same as that of this account file. And after that, what you have to do is, one way you can do is you can copy this and paste it here, but it is not a good practice. But what you can do is you will take this account class and then pass this init function here, and then pass the parameter here, file path, like this. And the function is ready. After that, we will create a transfer function in this class. Let's name it trans transfer, and here we will pass two parameter, self comma, sorry for the background noise guys. Now the next is amount, and what you have to do is it's a same process like that of the withdraw, self dot balance equals to self dot balance minus amount. That's all. The function is ready. Now let's test this function. For that, what you have to do is you have to create a new object like this, checking equals to checking, and here you have to pass this balance.txt file, and then you have to do is checking dot transfer and the amount which you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 200, and then simply print the balance, checking dot balance. And after that, you simply need to commit these changes. You have to pass this commit function to write this balance in this balance.txt file. Let's run the file. Okay, we got an error. Let me check. Okay guys, I have spotted the error, and what the error is that, where is the error? Yup, here in line 24. What I have done is I have put self and then dot then file path, but you have to pass this parameter separate from each other, and if I print it, I will get the new value here. Let me just print this out. That's why I am getting this. Now let's check it. The 200 has been successfully deducted from my account. Here you can see it is also added here. So this is how you create a banking system, and that's all for this tutorial. And what I am telling you is that you have to practice lots of object oriented programming. It was just a simple. You can also convert this into a into application. So that was all about this object oriented programming language, and it has much more topics than it, but it was just a basic idea of how it will look like. And I'm giving you the task to convert this line of codes into this account.py like the elf statement. So thank you, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me in the comment box, and also I will put the link to this program in the description, so make sure you check that out. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.